Today I'm going to show you how to do way better than the Sephora 15% off sale that we just had. All right, Ebates to start off with is having 15% off of a whole bunch of stores on anything you buy in them. So Macy's, Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, they all have really high-end makeup, right? And there's like 400 other stores here, so I'm not sure what else you'll find there, but I'm heading over to Neiman Marcus because look at this. At the same time, right now, if you spend $200, you get a $50 gift card. And guess what? Beauty counts. So we're going to go on over here to Neiman Marcus, hit the shop now button. Oh, and by the way, to make it even better, if you have not used Ebates before, hopefully you have, because I think since I've been using it, made almost over $1,200 in cash back. So we're going to go over to beauty right now and take a look at what we could get. So let's look at the brands. You guys were talking, they have Tom Ford, they have Armani, they have La Mer. So this is a great time to stock up on things you might not otherwise, because you are going to get a $50 gift card, right? So if you spend $200, you're getting $50 back. So it's like you've spent $150, right? And then you're getting 15% back on the $200, which is another $30 on $200. That's $30. So you're basically getting $80. You're spending $120 for $200 worth of products. So let's go in here because I know a few things that I want. I would like to get my La Mer foundation that I absolutely love, and I get it in this color linen. Then I also really wanted to get the Tom Ford Fiber Brow Gel. My friend Michelle is always saying it's great. Go check out her channel, Michelle Wang. And for my last item, I'm really wanting to try out this new Hourglass powder that just came out fairly recently. Here we go. Let's get this here. All right, add that to my shopping bag, and I should be at $200. Let's see. I'm going to close this coupon cabin thing that popped up. I don't like it as much as Ebates, but I tried it out once. So here are my items. I've got the La Mer foundation. Now, I added a few samples. I didn't have you guys watch me do it, but you're able to choose 5 samples. So I got a little La Mer sample, a Shiseido sample, Oribe Lancome little mini lash primer, and a La Mercier foundation primer sample. And then here's my Tom Ford brow gel. And oh, look at this. I got a free gift that I didn't even know about because I purchased something from Tom Ford. And then my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. So that is my total. Okay, I'm going to just double check and see what that code was. MAYGC. So I will put that in here, MAYGC, and it was applied. Now, before I finish checking out, the one thing I always do is I double check up in the little bar here and make sure that my Ebates shopping trip is valid. If you want to know how to get the little thing up in your bar, I've got a whole separate Ebates video that shows how to do that. But yes, see the little green check mark? My shopping trip. So that will ensure that I will be getting the 15% cash back to my Ebates account. All right, so I'm going to log in and check out now, and let's see what the savings were. So let's review. I paid $200 for high-end makeup. I'm getting back a $50 Neiman Marcus gift card, $30 Ebates cash back for a total of $80 back. So for $200 of high-end makeup, I have really paid $120. That's a 40% savings, which is way better than any sale you ever see pretty much anywhere else. So just wanted to share this with you. Don't forget, I also have a code. If you've never used Ebates and use my code, I do get credit, but you'll also get $10 off of your first Ebates purchase. Hope this was helpful. Happy shopping. Have a great day or evening wherever you are.